This video is to explain 10 basic questions in Microsoft Excel. Which type of software is Microsoft Excel? Spreadsheet software. On an Excel sheet, the active cell is identified by a thick border. See, when a cell is active, we can see a thick border around the cell. Which area in an Excel window displays the address of the current cell? Name box. When you click on a cell, the address of that cell is displayed on name box. If you enter 23 plus 7, Excel will treat it as text. The intersection of a row and a column is called cell. What do you call the thick border that surrounds the active cell? Cell pointer. As we said, when a cell is active, we can see a thick border around the cell, and this thick border is called cell pointer. Where is the content of the cell displayed? Formula bar. When we type some data, that data will be displayed on formula bar. This is formula bar. A collection of worksheets stored under a single file is called workbook. Here down you can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. These are worksheets. And these all worksheets together makes a workbook. January, February, March series can be generated using which feature of Excel? Autofill option. Here type January in first cell and click that cell, and here you can see one black dot. Just click there and drag it down. You will get all the months here. Same like that, cell type 1, 2 and select the cells and drag it down. Type any date and drag it down. You will get the next dates. Also you can drag it to left side. So this feature is called autofill. Which groups are mostly used for formatting the cells? Font, alignment and number group. So usually for formatting we are using this font. All the font styles are here, alignment and number group. So these are very important groups available in Excel.